So you have a business idea. You've got a proof of concept, you've got some funding in place, you know your market. Well, good. Some of the hardest parts are behind you. Now here's how to make that business a reality. Every business needs a name, and a lot are already taken. To find which ones, check the State of Tennessee Business Database and search registered trademarks through the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office. Next, decide what type of business is best for you. LLCs, S-Corps, C-Corps, there's a bunch of options. The Federal Small Business Administration is a good resource to sort them out. Consider a lawyer and an accountant to help you file all the needed paperwork. And the Tennessee Small Business Development Center also holds a monthly class where you can ask legal questions at no cost. Businesses have to pay taxes too, so you'll need to get a federal tax ID number, which you can do online through the IRS. Oh, and don't forget about those state taxes. Register with the state and learn how to file a business tax return. Once the IRS and the state know you exist, it's time for a business license. In Chattanooga, you'll need one from the city and Hamilton County. Find a guide and an online application through the city's finance site, and you can apply online through the Hamilton County clerk. The last two steps are straightforward. Open a business bank account, and if you need it, buy commercial insurance. Those monthly classes might come in handy here again. Overall, not so bad. Find more resources at tsbdc.org, and soon you'll be open for business.